Hello guys and welcome back to this channel, where today guys I'll be showing you how to create a new Asos account. So guys, here we are on the official Asos website, which is asos.com, which is the first thing that you actually need to do. Go to this website and you'll be of course greeted with a website like this. Now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us, and then we're going to see how you can go and actually create an account. So here you have the Asos website, which is basically a store where first of all you can go and here search for women. So you can go and search for stuff for women here. So you have categories, you have sales, new in, you have clothing, trending, dresses, shoes, accessories, face and body brands, sportswear, top shop, marketplace. So that's for women. And then you have the men category, which has sales, new in, clothing, trending, shoes, accessories, brands, sportswear again, top men, and the marketplace. Here, of course, you have some sales that are on for men. And also here, when you go, you have the sales that are on for women. Then in the top right corner, you can go, of course, and change your language, see the marketplace. And here you have the search bar where you can go and search by yourself for anything that you actually want to buy. Then here in the top right corner, you have everything about your profile. So here you have your account, your orders, return information, contact preferences. But guys, now let's see how you can actually go and sign up. So you just need to click on join. And then you'll need to fill in this stuff here. So I'm going to put in some information here. And guys, just so you know, the information that I'm putting in here are not real. They are just for the sake of this video. So now put your everything about you. So like this. Then you put your everything like that. You tell them what you want to do, and you can go and then click on if you want to. Just a second, I need more stuff here on the password, and then you just click join Asos, and that's basically guys how to do it. I hope guys that you found this video informative. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, put the notifications on, and I'll be seeing you in the next video. Bye guys.